Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about what is a web browser. A web browser is basically a program that allows user to access websites on the internet. And how it works: when the user requests a web page, the browser retrieves the file from the web server and displays the page on the user's device. So, what is the definition of web server? Web browser, that is the software application used to access information on the World Wide Web, that is, we called it web browser. When the user requests some information, the web browser fetches the data and then displays to the web page of the user screen. It is also very important to know in detail like what is a web browser is for candidates preparing for government exam. This is because computer knowledge is common topic for many competitive and questions based on web browsers may be asked. What is the history of the web browser? Today the web browsers are easily accessible and can be used on the devices like laptops, computers, mobile phones, etc. This evolution making browsers available for easy use many years. So this is the basic history of the web browsers. Firstly, the World Wide Web is designed and is created by Tim Berners, and in 1993 the Mosaic web server was released. It has additional adding images and very innovative graphical interfaces there. The 1994 it started with a new web browser that we called Netscape Navigator. Then 1995, the revolution came and Internet Explorer was launched by Microsoft. It overtook the most of the very popular web browser. Then 2002, Moz- Mozilla Firefox was introduced and it is very competent as Internet Explorer. Then Apple too launched a web browser in 2003, that is Safari, and it is very commonly used in the Apple devices, not so popular with the other devices. It's iOS devices based. So finally, the 2008, the cloud released Chrome, and within time span of 3 years, it overtook all the existing web browsers and most commonly used web browsers across the world till now. What are the functions of the web browser? The main function is to retrieve the information from the www and make it available for users. Then visiting any website can be done using web browsers. Then to run the Java applets, Flash content plugins are available. It makes the internet surfing easy as once we reach to the website, and we can easily check the hyperlinks and get more and more useful data online. Browsers user internal cache which gets stored, and the user can open the same web page time and again without losing extra data, and multiple web pages can be opened at the same time on the web browser, and options like back, forward, reload, stop, reload, home, etc. are available on these kind of web browsers, which make easy and convenient to use. If you like our video, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.